Welcome to the Legend of Zelda Minish Cap Let's Play Part 36. We will go even further into the Temple of Droplets. There's some rupees you can find down here. A dungeon map, which this is one of the easier dungeon maps to get to. The place may look big, but it's not the largest dungeon. Now, there's another enemy that we encountered earlier that is in this dungeon, a slug. They drop from the ceiling. So this dungeon is basically a combination of ice and water. Next, I think that we have to fall down there. Yeah, we do. Just fall down the waterfall, yes. Now we have to fall down. You might think you made a big mistake, but that's how you're supposed to get down there. Oh, wait, no. I got that wrong. Alright, that's correct. You have to swim down there. And this will say, the way forward is hidden at the bottom of the pot. The way forward is hidden at the bottom of the pot, of the water, or the pot. No, the way we got the heart piece. Now this is where that key will come in handy. You had to do all that too. Get over here, I'm not kidding. You have to do all that. Now these flying enemies can get annoying. Here when you're trying to find your way down. This is the whole reason you need the pad. You can't, the lily pad, you need that because you really can't advance farther in this dungeon without it. It's like a little of the first dungeon. which I don't need to explain how to move the lily pad around. Once you're down there, next time we will go further into